What's going on, guys? My name is Tyler. Welcome back to the channel. It looks like we are getting ready for a technical breakout with AMC stock, so we are going to cover that. As well as that, we are seeing a lot of option activity still on this expiration day that is this Friday, so we can still see a substantial move to the upside via a gamma squeeze, and we are also seeing the implied volatility for the whole option chain of AMC that is continuously going up. So we're going to go over what this implied volatility increase actually does mean, look at the technicals, just go over what you guys need to know for a breakout that could likely be coming in the next coming weeks. I'll be giving you guys my opinion on when I think this breakout will come. You guys will get a ton of value out of this video. If you do, hit that like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about this rally, and specifically, what do you guys think about my prediction? And with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial planner or your dad, so don't base any trades based off of anything that is said in this video or any other video on YouTube in general, no matter who it is. So as long as we're on the same page, let's get straight into this video. And the first thing that we have to talk about is this technical breakout, a breakout that we are seeing today, up 3%. And keep in mind, the markets have only been open for about 45 minutes, so we could be up much higher by the time you guys see this, but all of this information still does apply if we are lower or if we are higher in price. Right now at $39.06 per share, and I have called this out a couple times here on the channel, but if you're looking at AMC on a very micro basis, since September 30th, when we did see this big rally, when we went up about 10%, you guys can see we're starting to form a cup and handle, and this is exactly the move that I have been looking for to more or less confirm this cup or handle. We're still waiting for the handle to form and then obviously break out past $40. We could break out past $40 before we see the full handle of this cup and handle formation actually play out. But what is really causing this move today? I think it's a couple things. I think it's investors and traders buying more AMC, waiting for earnings that are going to be coming out November 1st. That is only about 2 weeks away, and if you wanted to play earnings, you're probably better off positioning now, adding to your position, or making a trade. On the other hand of that, something that is more directly affecting AMC today, in my personal opinion, I think it's a little bit of these two, but it is going to be the option chain. You're not seeing a lot of volume on any given day. Besides today, we are actually seeing a decent amount of volume for only being, trading for 45 minutes. We're seeing about 11 million for trading volume. That's probably why we're, skyrocketing right now. So this option activity is definitely influencing AMC more today than it has in a long time, and we did see the $38 strike go into the money. That is about 11,000 for open interest, or 1.2 million shares that will have to be covered by the market makers. At the $39 strike, which is now in the money by 24 cents, you're looking at about 920,000 for open interest that will have to get covered. The next level we're watching for is that break above 40, which very well we could be above 40 by the time you guys do see this video. We're looking at 30,182 for open interest at the $40 strike. You're going to see a lot of volatility, but right here is 3 million shares that would have to be hedged for, and today is Thursday, so you are seeing some hedging going on. Most of these contracts are being hedged out for today when they are running into the money, because obviously tomorrow is expiration. So that is very, very important. The $40 strike is 3 million shares that would have to be covered. That is 10% of the volume that we have been seeing on any given day. The $41 strike, which is just the dollar above 40, obviously very reasonable to get to that by tomorrow. You're looking at 11,471 for open interest. That's 1.1 million shares that would have to be hedged for. So obviously it does look like there is a lot of hedging going on as we do currently speak. AMC is incredibly volatile. Even since I started making this video, we have went up quite a bit in price. You guys can see this. We are just climbing and climbing and climbing. This is the 5-minute candlestick chart. So I mean, as far as a daily prediction, it wouldn't surprise me to be $41, $42. That's not my, when I actually think we're going to see a massive rally. We'll talk about that in 1 second. I want to go over the implied volatility surge for AMC. Investors in AMC Entertainment need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That is because of December 17, 2021, 145 call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options today. What is implied volatility? Implied volatility shows how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that investors in the underlying stock are expecting a big move in one direction or the other. It could also mean there is an event coming up soon that may cause a big rally or a huge sell-off. However, implied volatility is only one piece of the puzzle when putting together an options trading strategy. So this is something that I've talked about on this channel a couple of times. In the last couple of videos, I've talked about this more, and that is the implied volatility of AMC is going up the closer that we do approach earnings. And what has statistically, historically happened coming on earnings? Look at that, up 4% as we do currently speak. That is a beautiful move so far. But every time we get earnings, we see a rally. Here you go, about 100% rally from $8 to $15 back here March 10th. Right here, May 6th, 1 month later, we went up almost 1,000%. Back here, the last earnings, we got August 9th, 2021, going from about $28 to $53 per share. It is very clear. History has showed us AMC does have a positive price movement after earnings. So I do think you're seeing a lot of people setting up for earnings, and that is really where I do expect a big rally to happen with AMC. So that is going to conclude this video. I don't want to make this super long, just give you guys the info you need to know. Watch the volume, see what does happen. If we do see a volume increase today, this could likely play into tomorrow, and it does look like we will cross over $40 today, especially if this trajectory does increase. In my opinion, go to about $41, $42 is not off the table whatsoever, but we are still up 4%. So big congratulations to all apes that have held their conviction in the stock. I'm gonna go buy more AMC. Hit that like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below in the comment section what do you guys think about all of this information. If you guys also do want to get access when I buy AMC or any other stock or option or crypto, then definitely check out the link for the buy and sell alerts. It pays for itself over and over and over again. Also the link for public and the link for Webull to directly support this channel. So that is all for this video. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.